Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I will show you on how to check your Gmail login history on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, come to the top right there and make sure you click on your Gmail. And it's going to load up just like so. If you have not been logging into your Gmail account, make sure you log in with your Gmail username and password. Having successfully logged into your Gmail account, it takes you right here. Now, for you to check on your login history on your Gmail account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here, and this is going to pop up. Then click on manage your Google account. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to security, and it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down, and make sure you go to manage all devices. Then you'll be taken right here. This is all the devices that is having access to your Gmail account. If you take note of any unrecognized devices right here, what you need to do is to simply select on the device, then come to the top right here, make sure you click on sign out, and from there you have already logged out all the devices that is not recognized from your Gmail account, and your account will be more safe and secure. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you